So this project is a culmination of some ideas that came about between myself, an organisation called New Urban Era, Tamworth Borough Council and Tamworth Arts and Events team, and it's called We Are Angels. The idea is that regardless of what COVID is trying to do to us, it's not going to stop us from being creative, it's not going to stop us from being supportive to our friends and family. So the idea is that students from South Staffordshire College have been invited to design and implement full-scale angel wings. Now their designs being completely over to them. We're not about making white genetic angel wings, we're allowing the students to be as creative in their imagination and their design as possible. The purpose of this is that members of the general public can go into Tamworth and surrounding areas. They will have a map, an angel wings map, and they will go around the town tracking down the wing, standing in front of each one, taking a selfie or getting somebody to take a photograph of them. And those photographs will then be uploaded to an online exhibition